Know the difference between two-way, three-way, and four-way stops. Let's clear it up and break down the secrets of stop signs. First up, the two-way stop. Imagine you're driving and you hit a stop sign, but the other street doesn't have one. Your job is to stop, look both ways, and yield to traffic on the main road. Easy enough, right? Now, on to the three-way stop. Here, only 3 directions have stop signs. The key rule? A three-way stop requires traffic in 3 directions to stop, with the 4th direction having the right of way. If you arrive at the same time, yield to the car on your right. Simple. Finally, the 4-way or all-way stop. Every direction has a stop sign. It's like a polite dance at the intersection. Again, the first to arrive goes first. If 2 cars arrive at the same time, the car on the right has the right of way. And if multiple cars arrive simultaneously, communicate through eye contact or hand signals. Yes, it's that easy. Common mistakes? Rolling stops or quick stop. Always come to a complete stop. And remember, don't assume other drivers will follow the rules. Stay cautious and alert. Now you're ready to tackle any stop sign. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to learn more.